Happy November! I thought I would do a quick flip through of my October month and show you how I filled up the pages of my journal, because I'm always making layout photos and videos and you may be thinking that I don't use them, but trust me, my journal, especially this one, is my lifesaver, and all these pictures and the beautiful designs just makes me want to use them more. So this was my cover page. Not very inspiring, but these are all the doodles that I drew, and I'm quite proud of the progress in doodling I am getting to. This was my habit tracker, and as you can see, I track very strongly how my habits. My coffee intake, as par with the season, has become even higher. I drank way too much coffee than I should, and which means I need to use this as my reference and try to cut down on my coffee intake again and not drink so much. But on happier note, I learned to cycle, so I have done more exercises with cycle on outdoors, even in this rainy autumn weathers, than I have done in previous years. This is my content calendar, nothing really to see here, and an event calendar. I have had very busy. Every weekend we were doing something or the other, and I had to keep track of that, and I needed my notebook to keep track of that. So this is the first weekend. It was post Durga Puja. The beginning of in the long weekend, we did a lot of packing, so there was not much written because I was very busy outside. Then I tried a new kind of wheel kind of layout. I have to say I'm not very happy with it, so I am not going to repeat it. There's not much space to write on, and I really pour my heart out in my journals. As you can see, like, it's not just to do and key points, but I really pour my heart out, because it's not just a bullet journal, it's also just my personal journal for me. I have also focused on writing more in my mother tongue, so Bangla, just because I think I should, and it just makes it look also pretty good. Some spontaneous doodle to keep my little boss happy. And I really thought I would not achieve my reading goal this year, but lo below, October is ended and so is my reading goal, almost there, 90%. I have a goal of reading 40 books this year, not 40 new books. I read a lot of Agatha Christie again, and so I am only 4 books away from my goal, and that's my October layout. Now let me give you a little sneak peek of how November is looking out, but be sure to catch my other November layout making videos as well. So this is how it's going to come out. I'm very proud of the pictures that I drew in my habit tracker, and this is all the glittery, because it's the season of glittery coming up. So these are my glittery paints from Pentel. We have a lot of them in our shop. Be sure to check them out now that the journaling and glittery setup season is here, and this is going to be my November layout. This, I love how I did it, and here it is.